Hello guys, you saw some of the mistakes in the previous lesson. Now let's fix them and create the things in the real and review it. Okay, at first we need to easily write git cd to go to the folder we want. We use git init to install the git. After doing that, we need to write touch, and we are going to write something named hello.py. And now you see here we create this line of code, but the problem here is that when we are going to write git status, git status, it says that no change added to commit to the file. We need to commit them. We write / commit. You see, it says this comment is not found. For example, we go with commit. It says this comment also not found. See, unable to create. Whenever we are going to use a comment and see we don't know how to create that, we are going to use help. How we are going to use the help? We just simply copy the function and then go to Google and search for it. Git commit help. It's not always learning everything to the full potential. It's okay to learn how to search. Okay, you see, we have many good sites like W3 schools. It's right here. Git commit.m. We forget that m. Git commit.m. For example, first file. You see, it says another process is running. Why is this happening? It's because that in the previous lesson, when we tried to run this project, we closed the git bash in the bad way. Because of that, it's running. How we can end it? We, for now, because we don't have any important file, we open hidden layers and delete this. Now, when we start it again, git bash, open it, write cd, and we are going here, and then git init for initializing, everything installed. Now we just said touch hell, for example, .py, and it's created. Now when we are going to write git status, it says we have two files with no commit. Now we write git commit /m, and for example, hello. You see that it's an initial commit. Nothing added to commit but untracked file. Use git add to track. What it's saying, we are not tracking our files. For that, we just simply write git add hell.py, and then we copy that. Now, when we write git status, it's showing to us that hello.py is not committed. We write it git add hello.py, and then we write git commit m py, and now when we write git status, everything is clear and we committed our both files. It's a simple review to the works we do until now. In the next lesson, we are going to see how we can find the difference between the files. Until then, have a nice night.